Come test drive the 2015 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote engine start, automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.